Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip will show you how to work some problems, some questions about area that you could potentially see on an ASVAB test. Questions similar to this. Let's say a parallelogram has a height of h, a height h of 7 centimeters. So this distance, this height here is 7, and the length b is 10. What's the area? Well, if it were a rectangle, then it would just be 7 times 10, and it would be 70 cubic or square centimeters. Well, this little triangle here is the same size as the missing piece to make it a rectangle. So flip that over, and you can just do the length of the base times the height. That will give you the area. A triangle that has a height h of 4, so the height is 4, and the length of the base is 8. What is the area? Well, if that were a rectangle, it would have an area of 4 times 8 is 32. Well, looking at just this square right here, you can see that the triangle, this piece of the triangle is half of the square, or it looks like a square anyways, rectangle. And let's change colors. Let's look at this square, or this rectangle right here, and this triangle is half of that. So it's not a 4 times 8 is 32, it's half of that, because each of those triangles is half of the rectangle of that shape. So it's 32 over 2, which is 16 square centimeters. Would be the area of the triangle. It has a height of 4 and a base of 8. A circle has a radius of 8 inches. Its area is how many square inches? The radius is 8. The area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So that would be pi times 8 squared, which is pi times 64, which is about 3 times 64. 3 times 6 is 18. So that would be 192. So it's about 192. On a calculator, I could say 3.14 times 64. That would give me, that's really close to 201 square inches. So using pi gets you a little closer. Estimating will get you within 5%. So just a few questions to practice area calculations, so you'll be ready for the ASVAB.